Hey everyone, this is Saber Nearing, Jared the Jedi. This is going to be a new video for J-Saber Tutorials. As you can see, I got the lightsaber in hand. This is my old Star Wars Anakin Skywalker Disney lightsaber, Hasbro version. And what we're going to do today is a tutorial on how to do a Makashi duel sequence. What that means is Makashi is a lightsaber form named Form 2. Makashi is the lightsaber form that Count Dooku and many other Jedi or Sith use throughout the history of Star Wars and its universe. Makashi is the always attack, but in a stylish form kind of style. And what that means is when you attack, you're attacking mainly with one hand, and you have always a counter-attack strategy on your mind. So what we're going to do is one version with one hand facing forward. This is one duel sequence you guys are going to learn today. Now that is a version of a Makashi duel sequence. As you can see, I was always able to counterattack. If I go like this and someone attacks from here, I can just block right there. Or block here. Or here. So on, you see. And what that means is while I'm attacking, I'm also able to defend and counterattack very quickly, which is good for lightsaber to lightsaber combat, which happened throughout the history of the galaxy. Now what we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to use what I just did. To do that, hold it in your left or right hand. If I'm a righty, I'm going with my left hand for this, because this is good for backhand this way. Now what we're going to do, hold it this way, left hand if you're like me, right hand prominent. Step not to the front, but to the side. I'm going to back up a little bit so I have more room for the video. Hold it straight. And we're going to do that. That's called a cross twirl. I showed you that in one of the previous videos from a few years ago. So we're going to use what we taught in this right hand, or left hand if you watched it that way. We're going to use that X twirl to do this sequence. So to do that, we're going to go X twirl, step back, swipe in front, swipe to the side, and then this is where it gets tricky. After we do that, we're going to jump forward quickly and swipe this way, jump back and swipe again, step forward, swipe, step forward again and swipe, and then jump back. And then this is where it gets tricky. We're going to do a behind the head walkthrough. Now what that means is we're going to step a little further back so we have more room to complete this move. We're going to go forward like this and go over the head. So jump forward, go out, X twirl this way. So let's do that again. X twirl this way and behind the head. So like this. X twirl this way and behind the head. That's how we do that. So once you get the hang of it, it should look like this. And if you have any questions, leave someone down below in the comments, and I'll make any videos on any moves you guys want to see.